There are various programming languages: Java, COBOL, HTML. Lot of languages are there. Out of all these programming languages, C language is little bit easier to understand and to work with it. Today we are going to share something about C language, C programming as C basics. The presentation is prepared by me. I am Deshmukh PB from Jizamata College, Bhenda. Now we will look something about C basics. You see, C is the general purpose programming language and it is used for writing programs in many different domains such as operating system, numerical computing, graphical applications, etc. It is a small language with just 32 keywords. Only 32 keywords are used in this language during the programming. It provides high level structured programming constructs such as statement grouping, decision making, and looping, as well as low level capabilities such as ability to manipulate bytes and addresses. Means C language is a bridge between high level languages and low level languages. You can use it in both way, as a low level, as a high level language. A programmer can reasonably expect to know and understand and indeed regularly use the entire language. Much of the functionality of the C provided by way of software routines called functions. You can use many functions to attain your desired calculations or your design work, programming work. The language is accompanied by a standard library of functions that provide a collection of commonly used operations. For example, the standard function printf, it prints text to screen, or more precisely, it is used as standard output. If you consider the following program as your first program in C language, here first line is enclosed in forward slashes and asterisks, and the first C program hello world, that is the comment line which is at the beginning of the program. Second line of the program is hash include, that is for the inclusion of header files. There are so many header files in the C program: math.h, graphics.h, or every file is having extension.h. You can include the files as per your need. Third line is blank. Fourth one is int main void, means you have to mention it as a main function where compiler knows that the user is going to write his program henceforth. Fifth line is the opening of curly brackets opening, that is the start of body of the program. Sixth line is print in circular brackets, it is mentioned hello world, and the word is written in double quote marks, that is called as expression or statement. Seventh line is again blank, and at the end of programs 8th line the braces, curly braces are closed. The comment in C starts with forward slash and asterisk and ends with asterisk and forward slash. They can contain multiple lines. For example, you can write anything inside that is never compiled. The second line gives us the inclusion of standard library files. All C program, every C program starts with main function as a entry point function. This function comes in two forms: int main void or int main, and in bracket you can mention your arguments in integer type or in character type. These arguments are specific. You have to follow the rules and regulations given by C compiler or C software while using such arguments. The first take no arguments and the second receives command line argument. They are mentioned here. The curly braces, opening and closing of braces, gives us knowledge of the lines enclosed in them. They are treated as a block of function, or they are mainly purpose how block is working or what is the block is meant for. When a function completes, the program returns to the calling function, means whatever calculations you are actually expressed there, they are returned to the main function. In case of main function, the program terminates and control returns to the environment in which program was executed. The above program contains only one statement. That statement is printf, and those things are enclosed in a bracket. They are called as arguments. Print function is not a part of C language, but a function provides the standard library declaration that is declared in stdio.h, means standard input output header file. In this case, printf function takes one argument or one input parameter, hello world, and that is get printed out as a line. If you want to study C programming with the variant or variations, then the second program here is the print statement is used 3 times here: print hello, print world, and print backslash and n. Means every line is printed on new line and every word is printed on new line. In next program, hello world, but rather the printing the whole string on one go, it prints one character at a time. The program is like this. Here, print each character until reach, means whatever you are mentioning here as hello world, it is printed one by one, and you will get output at the screen. In this way, you can use printf function by various ways. Line 6 and 7, all variables must be declared before they are used. In C program, the declaration of variable is succeeded by main function. When you write program, you include the header files, then main function, and then at the beginning of your program, you have to mention the variables, whatever you are going to use there, their type and their scope also. The variable with identifier is of type int means integer, or if they are whole numbers, then you have to mention that at the beginning of the program. One numerical example I am here going to explain you, that is Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion table. Here, initially the comment line is there that you can mention the aim of your program, title of your program, or whatever you are going to do in this program, that you can mention in that forward slash and asterisk. Second line is include library functions. Third line is bank. Fourth line is main int type main void function. And at line number 5, your program starts with the opening of braces. Here float FAHR is the variable that is float type. Another variable is Celsius, that is again float type. One more variable you have to consider here as that variable is integer type, lower, upper and step. 3 variables you are using of the integer type. 8 lines is blank. 9 line is again the comment line, whatever you are going to calculate or whatever you are going to do in this program, that is mentioned in the comment line. 11th line is the declaration of lower that is integer value 0. Again, declaration of variable upper as 300. And 13th line is step, means integer variable that is assigned to value 20. 14th line is blank. 15th line is again the formula of the calculation, meant for calculation, that is expressed in comment line. Create conversion table using the equation C equal to, that is the conversion of centigrade into Fahrenheit. 16th line is assign lower as FAHR variable. Give your lower value to the FAHR, assign that value to the FAHR. Now here while is a conditional statement. While FAHR means the floating variable that is less than equal to upper, means 300. Value 300 is assigned to the upper. That condition is given there. Again, formula is mentioned. Celsius is assigned to 5.0 divided by 9.0 star. Yep, that is the rules, syntax and rules. They are compulsory while writing such statements. 11th line is printing the result, and 20th line is the increment step. You have to do this until FAHR is less than equal to upper, and you when we complete your calculations, program automatically will stop executing and you will get your final answer. How program is executed and what are things are done, they are explained in this paragraph. And this way you can have more and more programming knowledge with such sample programs. This one is the basic program I have explained you. Thank you.